Can you smile, Mealy? You know what today is? Today is December the 2nd, 2010. Want me to turn that light on? How's that? There you go. You know what we're going to do now? We're going to make some popcorn. Each of my girls have to go through this. No, it's too close for you to touch, honey. So, you have to learn how to make popcorn if you're going to be with Grandpa. See? What? Okay, see, there's popcorn. And I'm going to put some in here. Okay, wait a minute. You want to see it? There you go. Look at that.
Wow.
Whoa! And now, wait a minute. First we'll put some spray on here. Whoa, what do you think about that now? And then we'll put this lid on so it doesn't pop on you. Well, what do you think about that? Huh?
Oh.
What's it doing? It's going around and around. Around and around, huh? And we took the lid off, see, so that the hot air can get out up here. If you put your hand over here, you can feel hot air coming out.
Wow.
Do you want to see this seed? I'm going to show you this. Okay, wait a minute. Here, feel this. Feel that. Just feel it. Don't put it in your... No, don't put it in your mouth. It's got a little bit of water in it. And it gets real hot.
Wow.
And it'll blow up. Here. Shake it up, shake it up. Now watch it. It's going to get hot and it's going to puff. Are you watching it? There it goes. There's one. See that one? Watch it start going. Here it goes.
Wow.
Here goes another one. Is that pretty good or what? Okay, it's almost all done. See the steam coming out up here? Grandpa's going to shake it up a little bit. See if there's any more that can pop. Okay. Then we stop it. Okay. And put the lid on top and we turn it upside down. Okay, you ready? There it goes. Oh my goodness. Got a couple burn ones there, don't we? I think we put too much grease on it. Okay, let's get a cool one. Let's get a cool one, make sure it's nice and cool. There you go. What do you think?
No.
Do you like it? Mm-mm. Tastes good, doesn't it?
Hi.
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 It's nice and puffed up, real nice and soft, isn't it? It's called popcorn.
Oh.
You know why? It popped.
Pop.
Popped, that's right. See? Orville Redenbacher's white corn. Gourmet popping corn. Nothing but the best for you, little Mia. Nothing but the best. See, that should make 3 tablespoons makes, no, I don't know how much it makes. Oh, it makes about 6 cups.
Pop.
Popped, yes. And this is not 6 cups, is it? Is that 1 serving? Serving size, 3 tablespoons, not popped. Makes about 6 cups popped. Wow. You always have to have the one farthest away, huh? Well, that was good, wasn't it good? Okay. Okay, say bye-bye, Amelia. Amelia. Oh, what's that all about? Oh, my goodness.
Hi.
Bye-bye.